Okay, let's add a camera to our player scene. What we want to do first is open the root player scene, okay? We don't want to do work on this scene here that's in the level template because that is just an instance of our main scene here. So if we go into our file system and open player.scene, and we just go over here and click on player, and then we just go on the plus, and we want a camera 2D, camera 2D. That goes down there. We just need to make a small change. So in our inspector, we want to go into limit, and we just want to change limit left to 0. And everything else looks okay. Camera is enabled. Yep, look at all the things you can do, but just setting the limit is what I want to do so far. And that's the limit left that I want to set. If I now play my game, two things should happen. Firstly, the camera doesn't move to the left beyond the brick wall because I've set the left limit, but now it follows the player. So I fall into the pit, I fall out of the pit. I can't climb over the wall, but notice I can see beyond it because I haven't set the right limit. We'll do that when we build our actual scenes. What I would like to see is if I can jump over that yawning chasm there. So I can. So what is that? 1, 2, 3 blocks. Yeah, so we can jump over a 4-block, 3-block. We can jump over a 3-block gap. So that's worth knowing, isn't it? When we build our levels, I can jump out of there. I can jump from there onto there. I could jump up there, but I can't jump from the bottom one to the top. Okay, that's worth knowing. All right, I'm going to call that progress. Let's crack on.